What up though, BlaKCrypto, and this is your daily news. This episode brought to you by KSB.TV and the Million Post Tour. Go to their site and find out everything they have planned in every city they plan to visit. They also have an NFT collection that shows every region they plan to visit. You can also come to the site and register for all the events and ticket sales. So use the code NEWS10 for 10% off. Make sure you go to the YouTube page, KSB.TV, where you can see this show and other episodes, including the Tuesday tour talk, where they give more information about the plans for the upcoming tour. In local news, Hexologists and Hex Nurse have teamed up with the Hex Ladies to give away 2 free tickets to the Masters Golf Tournament in Las Vegas. It also includes free round-trip tickets and 2 free nights at the Resort World Casino and Hotel. Follow Hexologists for details on how to participate in the giveaway. And if you don't know about all these new projects building on Pulse and you need more information, go to pulsehotlist.com. They have a detailed list where they vetted some of these, and not financial advice, do your own research, but this is a tool that you can use. One project that is listed is PulsePot. They're having a giveaway where they're giving away 50,000 hex to 3 lucky winners. Go to their Twitter page and find out how you can be one of those lucky winners. And they have another giveaway where they're giving away 250,000 hex. This does require a sacrifice, not financial advice, but they are building on Pulsechain and other chains, and any sacrifices will be recognized across all chains. In world news, we added over 1,200 new stakers over the weekend, bringing us to 97,684. 2.28 billion locked ups, holding steady, but the average staking length down a bit, still over 6.5 years. As for our stakers, we added 7 new dolphins, bringing us to 888, and the squids holding strong over 4,000. And all the other categories growing, bringing us closer to 100,000 stakers total. In finance, dark clouds loom overhead as Jerome Powell and the Fed plan on making an announcement about the interest rate spike. The last raise of 0.5 percentage points might be duplicated as they try to get the numbers closer to 2 or 3%. And this chart from Wendy's and Legion VC shows the correlation between stocks, bonds, and commodities markets. We see the bonds has had a complete correction, and the stock market is following suit, being heavily correlated with crypto. And this chart shows that this bear market may have more gray days ahead. This shows us compared to other historical bear markets where they've had 20% declines without a 20% recovery. In finance, the sunshine may be over as crypto winter is back for Bitcoin. Over $20,000, but it's testing those lower levels again as we have resistance overhead. And with the impending bad news from the Fed, it could be a bad outlook for the whole crypto market. It's the same with Ethereum, well under this resistance and the moving average. So not a lot to look forward to. But in the Hex ecosystem, all coins doing well. Hex is well over 3.5 cents, that mark that we were looking at earlier. And it has a nice support here at the bottom. So we'll watch and see if Hex can truly decorrelate itself from the rest of the market. In lifestyle, apparently having giveaways is the Hexican lifestyle. Follow Crypto Class Hex PLS for the win and find out how you can win 5,555 Hex in her Christmas in July Hex giveaway. All you have to do is like and retweet this post and then subscribe to her YouTube channel. So giveaways is the Hexican way. In sports, 57 days left until the Masters Golf Tournament in Las Vegas on Labor Day weekend. Come to the site ksb.tv/golf and find out how you can get your hands on $20,000 cash. Promotion sponsored by Internet Money Hole-in-One competition. And they have different ways you can participate, from spectating to golfing to being a sponsor and getting some of your product and merchandise in our swag bag. Come to the site and find out how you can participate. And apparently golf has already been infiltrated by the crypto community. Birdie Golf LLC on Twitter is apparently making an NFT, and I don't see Pulsechain in the list of chains that they're working with, so maybe we should go show those guys how vibrant our community really is. And if you don't know what you want to wear on the golf course, maybe you can get some inspiration. Trap Golf, clothing for all of my internet trappers. In travel, if you don't have plans for Labor Day weekend, you need to come to postcon2022.com and find out how to get your tickets. Gold tier ticket members get automatic admission into a nightclub event where they have a fashion show and a concert. Also, postcon ticket holders get 50% off Masters Golf Tournament while supplies last. So come to the site postcon2022 for all the details. This has been your daily news. Thanks for watching. This episode brought to you by KSB.TV and the Million Post Tour. I'd like to thank you again for being here. And if you can, go to the site KSB.TV and get more information on the tour and all the plans they have, and get your tickets now and RSVP. Also go to the KSB.TV YouTube, where they give more information about what's going on and what's on the horizon. Thanks again, and remember, spread awareness about Pulsechain in this ecosystem and what real crypto really looks like.